Yeah, hi friends. Today we'll talk about how to bring multi-currencies under one BU in the order management. So usually we used to see only one particular currency will be there, and the end user will be expecting they want to change the currency under the same BU. Okay. So now we'll see how we are going to bring that particular multi-currency concept into the order management screen. So for that, so what prerequisites we need here is, so since anyhow we are using the demo instances, we have to know what pricing strategy has been triggering when we are creating the orders. So first I observed, so these are the things which are triggered in my system. So let me copy here. Pricing strategy race one, business unit I'm considering as R01, and price list we already created. That is very simple concept and very simple configuration. So this will be open the price list and then provide your pricing, either all items or specific items are based on category as well. Now I want to use same setup of BU price list and pricing strategy. Using that, I want to configure multi-currency things. Okay. So for multi-currency, what we need to do is, if price list will be common, and we don't want to change the price list, but using this one price list, I'm explaining now. So in my example, the price list will be same. The price list will be same. Using this single price list, I wanted to what you call create the orders with different currencies. Okay. So here what we need to do is, first we need to make a setup of, one second. We need to make a go to application now. I'm going to the application. One second. So go to the application. Now what setups which are needed, I'll explain to you first. So here it is required currency conversion lists. Manage currency conversion list. So that is the first, manage currency conversion list. So we'll go to the setup and we'll create one conversion and currency conversion. So go here, click on this. So click on plus. So I'm using here USD to Euro, USD to Euro. So similarly here also Euro, and business unit is very important. So for which business units you are doing? So I'm doing for R01, and let me, one second. I wanted to see the dates, because if they give the dates today and most of the time it will work, but so to avoid the errors, so I'm going to use my price list, the date when I have created in system. So let me go here, go to pricing administration, manage price list. So approve, search. So this BOD I am using because my business unit is R01, so 8520. So let me copy this. I'll always use the same in all my setups. Okay. go to here, go to currency conversion. Okay. So here I wanted to give my date. Then you have to provide your conversion rate somewhere. Okay. So sorry, click on plus again. So what is the base currency? I am using the USD and I wanted to convert into euro. And my date is always same. Conversion rate, there are things like fixed and GL source. So if you want to bring from GL source, you have to select GL source conversion type. There are multiple here, corporate, fixed, and then user entry, all those things. So now I'm not going with the GL conversion type. I'm going with the fixed conversion type is fixed. And I wanted to give some value here. So USD to euro, 0.84, 0.84, and adjustment type. I'm not keeping anything. So there are what you call the functionality with that. So I given only the conversion rate and conversion type is fixed. Then go to axis sets. This axis set is very important. If it is not provided, things won't come back. So which axis set will give here? That is the question. So how you are going to find out the axis set of your BU, whichever in the BU what axis set they are using, you have to give the same thing. Go to price list, open this, and here axis set we are using common, but even specific to BUIs also we can use, and we are using common. So set for common. Okay. And pricing strategy references not required. So those things automatically once you add this one to the strategy, system will pick up the strategy references. So we added this and need to approve this currency conversion. The strategy is in progress. So USD to Euro currency conversion has been approved. So now we just search back that. Okay, so I can see my conversion. So this is very simple conversion, what you call creation. So like that, if you want to bring multi currencies, now euro I get. Similarly, if I want to bring something else, INR, USD to INR. So business unit, this is specific to business unit. So and then same date is passed and provide your conversion. What is the base and what is the two currency? I'm keeping here INR. Conversion is fixed and date will be same. And let me verify what is the rate today. USD2 $73.19. Sorry, Indian rupee 73.19. Okay. So even corporate also we can bring. So dynamically system will pick up you if you select the GL source. GL source means in the GL setup we are doing the what you call corporate. So using corporate system will pick and then system will act according to the conversion rate. So time being I'm keeping conversion rate as fixed and then go to access set, provide your access set here, common, common. Sometimes it won't come, so select from there. So save and then approve this particular conversion. Okay. So we have done the conversion, currency conversion list, and then click on done. So what next we have to do? What next step we have to do is go to your strategy and which strategy system will be picking up. So if it is new strategy, you can create a new strategy. But since we are using our system such a long, so we have already different pricing strategies. So I'm going to this pricing strategy only. So click on search, click on edit. Okay. So my pricing also there, and okay. See here, what is required is allow currency override. This is required. This checkbox is required, and default GL conversion type. Okay, that is fine. Anyhow, we are not using. No need to bother. And this one, when you require, is whenever if you have a two pricing list, if you want to override that, you have to use this particular checkbox. Since in my pricing strategy, I have a two, so I want to override one on another. So I can use this one and go to allow pricing, allowed override currencies. So here you have to pass your currencies. One is euro and date. Similarly, I wanted to pass INR. Okay. So hit on save button. So go to pricing rules, currency conversion lists. Go here, add your conversion list. So business invoice if you want to check R01, click on search USD to Euro and USD to INR. Date is important. So I'll give same date, click on plus USD to INR. Okay. So here also click on date, save, save and close. So setup wise we completed. Now click on done, go to home page, So hit on order management. So we are not changing any what you call strategy assignment. Nothing we are changing. Whatever strategy existing we have, for that we created multi currencies now. Okay. So now create order. Select your BU. Select your customer. So where we'll find those multi currencies? Currencies is go to actions, edit currency details. So here, as per our currency conversion system will once currency conversion setup will be there. So based on that, system will pull this list of values. Okay. So I'm selecting euro now. Click on OK. So based on this currency, it will change the currency to euro. And then you try to create it on item. So let me see. Okay. So here it won't change because we are using same pricing list and currencies currencies only we change. I mean I'm not I mean to say it's not change we created. Okay. So click on plus add. So if you want you can increase this. Save. Submit. Okay. So this way we can bring multi currencies under the same view. So this concept usually most of the people don't know. So might be this particular configuration will be helpful to you guys. And thank you very much. Sign off. Bye bye. See you. Catch you in next session.